Hello, today we're going to be talking about how to get your WebAdvisor ID for students at the Santa Ana College School of Continuing Education. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Santa Ana College website, which is sac.edu, sac.edu, and you will type this address into your web browser's address bar. And here, if you look at the top of my screen, you'll see the address bar, sac.edu. Don't type on all that other stuff. That's just for this particular presentation. Okay, so after you open up the sac.edu website, it might look like this. There might be a different picture right here, but the top of the screen will look the same. And you're going to click where it says WebAdvisor. You just click that. And then the following page will open, the WebAdvisor page. And you will look in the bottom left-hand corner for this box. In particular, you're going to be looking for this little blue section right here. And here we have it big so that you can see it well and clearly. What's my WebAdvisor login? You need to get your WebAdvisor ID so you can log into Canvas, get your grades, and do all kinds of other things. Even schedule classes if you're going to be taking classes on the credit side. So you need to know what your WebAdvisor ID is, and you're going to click right there. That's where it says, what's my WebAdvisor login? And then you'll get these two choices, change your password, or what's my WebAdvisor ID, or reset my password. So just go ahead and click right there. And then you will type in your last name, okay? So van a escribir su apellido. Write your last name right there. And over here in the bottom right, you're going to put your student ID, and that's 7 numbers that hopefully you received from the school. But if you didn't, you can always ask your teacher for your student ID number, or the administration. And for that matter, you can also ask your teacher what your WebAdvisor ID is, and they can email it to you. But it's helpful if you know how to get it for the future and if you practice getting it by yourself. You can also enter your Social Security number if you gave a Social Security number to the school upon registration. Some people don't have a Social Security number, and that's okay. You don't need a Social Security number. No necesitan un número de Social Seguridad. All you need is your student ID number. And once you're done, you're going to click Retrieve Username. Okay? You can also reset your password this way, but for right now, we're just getting our WebAdvisor ID, and we're going to click right here. So you enter your last name, your student ID, and click Retrieve Username. Then you'll see this screen. It'll have your name, it'll have your ID number, and at the bottom, it will have your WebAdvisor ID number. And that will be the first letter of your first name, the first letter of your last name, and then 5 random numbers. Now, this PowerPoint presentation was created by Jennifer Hoger, and I am just making a video so that you can see it live. And now you have your WebAdvisor ID. Thank you so much, and have a fantastic semester. And know that we are so happy you are coming to our school, and we are proud of you for everything that you're doing and for getting your WebAdvisor ID all by yourself. Thank you.